I will give you $1,000 if what I'm about to share with you does not work for you. And my name's Travis, and I've used this technique to make over $6 million in online sales. And this one chart is the secret to how I've been able to build my passive income businesses that make me money even while I'm traveling or living anywhere in the world that I want to live. And I'm going to explain this chart and the technique that's helped me to build multiple seven-figure businesses in just a minute. People are spending worldwide online every single year starting in 2014. And you can see that it's growing exponentially. Last year, there was over $4.9 trillion in online sales. And this year, it's projected to be $5.5 trillion. So if people are spending that much money online, making money online is not hard. People are buying more and more things online. So the key to making money online is to sell things on the internet. But not all techniques for selling products online are the same. Some are much better than others. And I've taught this technique that I'm going to share with you to over 8,000 people, and I've had some crazy success stories. People like AJ, who lost his job as a bartender during the pandemic. I then taught him this method for selling products online, and in his first year using this technique, he was able to make $500,000. And the secret that AJ used to make so much money in his first year is he decided to create a product and sell his product where people are actually buying products. And 50% of all the sales that happen in the United States take place on Amazon.com. So if you're looking to make money online, selling products on Amazon is the biggest opportunity I've ever found for actually creating a legitimate passive income business. In fact, over 40% of people that sell on Amazon have made at least $100,000. And the reason so many people have success selling products on Amazon is because Amazon has over 150 million Prime customers. And that number is projected to continue to grow to 160 and 170 million Prime subscribers in the next few years. But the real reason why I think selling products on Amazon is such an amazing opportunity is because of the Amazon FBA program. And FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. And this program will make it so you get more sales for your product because when you use Amazon FBA, it makes your product Prime eligible, meaning that people are much more likely to buy your product. It also allows you to create a passive income business because the way it works is you send the products that you want to sell on Amazon into the Amazon warehouse. And anytime anybody goes to Amazon and buys your product, Amazon will handle the fulfillment for you. They'll pick, pack, and ship out the product for you. This means that once you do the hard work of getting your business up and running, Amazon's going to pretty much run your business for you. Because there's already 150 million Prime customers that are going to Amazon and searching for products like yours, and when they buy it, Amazon's going to handle all the fulfillment. That means that you can spend your time doing what you love to do, and you don't have to actively manage your business. And I was stuck in the corporate world when I realized how big of an opportunity making money online was. So I quit my job cold turkey, and I tried out a bunch of different ways to make money online, and none of them worked until I found this method of creating a passion product and selling it on Amazon. And within 2 months of launching my first passion product on Amazon, I was making over $30,000 in sales every single month. In fact, in my first year, I did over $300,000 in sales. And with just this one product, I've done over $1 million in sales. And the beautiful part about the Amazon FBA program is when you sell products on Amazon, you create this machine that prints you money. And because you're using the FBA system, you can automate your business so that you can remove yourself from the business and your business will keep making money because you have systems in place that continue to run your business even while you're spending your time doing whatever you want to do. And Amazon is a $1.1 trillion company, and they have spent billions of dollars acquiring customers, billions of dollars building out their website and their infrastructure, and they allow you to sell products on their platform. And there are multiple different ways to sell on Amazon. There's retail arbitrage, wholesale, private label, and what I recommend doing, which is creating your own passion product. And these other methods can work. You can make money using retail arbitrage, wholesale, or private label, but they're not the best way to actually make money using the Amazon platform. The problem with these other methods is that they're just too competitive. When you're doing retail arbitrage or wholesale, there's nothing stopping someone else from selling the exact same product as you. And even with private label, if you're just taking a generic product from Alibaba, slapping your brand on it and putting it on Amazon, there's nothing that makes your product special, and there's no reason that someone would want to buy your product versus a competitor. So what I recommend doing is finding opportunities where you can make a better product than the competition, or even create a product that does not yet exist. That's what I did. That's what I taught AJ to do. And I've taught a number of other students, like Carla, who created a tea to help fight autoimmune symptoms, or Ariana, who created wine tasting flashcards, or Troy, who created tennis manuscripts in different colors from what was already being offered. And there's hundreds of other success stories where people created products that were better than the competition, and this led to them creating businesses that could make them hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. And right now, it's the easiest it's ever been in the history of the world to create a unique business and sell your product online. Because once you have an idea, you can go to sites like Alibaba.com, where you can search for a manufacturer overseas that can make your product for extremely cheap. You then buy that product in bulk and you can sell it on Amazon for a huge premium, because people are going to Amazon and they're looking for the product that you're going to be selling, and you're going to have the best product on the market. Of course, they're going to buy your product. And I have step-by-step instructions on how to find a product that not only will sell really well, but that you will actually be passionate about. Because this is one of the secrets I've found. If you want to make a lot of money online, find something that you're actually excited about. And when you're excited about creating this product, you're going to make more money, because you're going to understand what the customer wants, because you are the customer. And it's going to be a lot more fun to create the product. And I'll show you for free how to create your own Amazon business. In fact, I've done videos on this channel that are over 5 hours long. But the problem is, what I've found is people that don't pay for something, people that get something like this kind of a YouTube video for free, they don't pay attention, and they end up watching the video and they never actually commit to starting their own business. And that's why I created my Amazon FBA program. It goes into way more depth and shows step by step every single part of starting your own passion product Amazon FBA business. And if you join this program, your chance of actually succeeding in creating a successful Amazon business skyrockets. My goal is to help you to build an Amazon business that's making at least $100,000 per year, which means that if by joining the Passion Product Formula, it helps you to start your Amazon business, even maybe just a few days earlier, it'll more than pay for itself. Even if it only helps you start that business 3 days earlier, that alone would pay for this program. And what I'm saying is, if you join this program, invest in yourself for the same amount as a weekend vacation, you can create a business that'll allow you to spend the rest of your life traveling and living as if it's a vacation. And you've probably watched a lot of the free videos that I have about creating an Amazon business on YouTube. But if you're actually serious about creating an Amazon business and changing your life, it's time to make a commitment. Join the program. As I mentioned, there's only a little over 20 spots left for this round, and I won't be publicly opening up this program again until next year. So click on the link down below, join the program before it's too late. As I mentioned, I'm closing registration when we hit 50 people or next Tuesday, no matter what. And that's because I want to get started ASAP to help you to start your Amazon business. We're actually having our first Q&A call next Thursday. So click on the link down below, join this program before the spots fill up, and I'll see you in the Passion Product Formula, my Amazon FBA program. Thank you for watching.